Hi, it's Denise Mai.
And I'm Ann Pham, and today we're thrilled to give you a tour of our newest listing located at the award-winning eco-conscious development, Green by Adera. This complex takes advantage of solar energy and is built with sustainability in mind, leaving behind a smaller carbon footprint.
This stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom penthouse located on the top floor with 12-foot ceilings under 800 square feet is located here on a 100-acre green belt. Look at this beautiful greenery all around you. Not only that, you've got tons of parks and trails and a dog park right across the street. And you're only minutes away from urban living such as Edmonds Skytrain, and we can't wait to give you a tour. Welcome home. As you enter, you're greeted by this large, spacious kitchen. I absolutely love how much counter space you have. Not only that, look at all the cabinet space, tons of storage. You also have a brand new stainless steel Samsung appliance package. This kitchen is perfect for you to prepare a meal or entertain your guests.
Moving on to your dining room and living room area, you'll notice these brand new wide plank white oak flooring, as well as 12-foot tall ceilings up above. And you got large patio doors and windows that allow plenty of natural light into the home to brighten up your space.
And as you transition now to this side of the home, you're gonna find 2 generous sized bedrooms, plus 2 full bathrooms. Right behind me now is your primary bedroom. This room fits either a queen or even a king size bed. And what's great is you have your own spa-inspired ensuite. You've got Kohler sink and also a soaker tub, which is perfect for you to relax and unwind.
And we're out here in your spacious patio, which overlooks the Zen water feature and courtyard, offering serene and peaceful view for your everyday living. Beyond your home, this building offers access to the Seasons Club with amenities such as fitness center, yoga studio, sauna, amenity room, and games room with a pool table. You also have 1 parking and 1 storage locker.
This amazing home is in Burnaby's top-rated elementary school, Taylor Park Elementary. It's also right across from Burn Creek Ravine Park, which is a dog park right across for you dog lovers out there. And this is only minutes away from Edmonds Skytrain and Market Crossing, which is home to some of the greatest restaurants like Cactus Club, Save On Foods, everything that you need.
This home offers a unique blend of nature, luxury, and convenience. Don't miss out your chance to view this home today. My name is Ann Pham.
And I'm Denise Mai, and we're more than happy to set up a private viewing with you.